Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over, how to get Delta tickets and how to use them for Delta Force. Now, the easiest way to actually get Delta tickets just by unlocking the premium battle pass, and then you get a lot of Delta tickets that way. And the next best way is just to go ahead and sell your mantle bricks, which, I would say it's not the easiest thing to do, but if you have them, I would honestly just get the pass because you'd want to use your mantle bricks for other things. That's another way you could get them. And then the way you use them, you basically access the shop, the in-game shop, to view the available items. And then you select an item. You browse through, you select an item, and the skins, the cosmetic items. Then you can actually choose the item you want, pay for it using your accumulated Delta tickets. Okay, and there are something that you can use for most of the items, but there are a small number of very rare items, most expensive skins. Those are an exception. Those can only be purchased with Delta coins. So otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.